Hey, let me show you the best features of the OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro earbuds. So first of all, I want to show you the mobile application, the Hey Melody application that actually give us access into a lot of permissions. So take a look. You can download this application for Android devices and iOS devices. And first of all, in this earbuds, we can actually find the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. So we can switch between these modes by clicking on one of the icon, but also we have to wear your earbuds. So the noise cancellation is actually the first really useful feature. It actually blocks all the background sound. Next, we can find here the sound equalizer, but unfortunately we've got only 3 modes. There's no custom preset. We've got original sound, boost bass, and natural inspiration. Right here we can also find the high quality mode, the LDAC and AAC. So when you turn into the LDAC like this, you can even enable the high res mode. So you can tap on this switcher, click apply, and you will actually improve the quality of this earbuds. Also we can find the golden sound. It's actually the test that will actually scan our canal and hearing and set up all of these sound parameters to our preferences. And what I find out that for the hearing test, I can hear more details on the right ear, which means that this function actually boosts sound in the left earbud, which is really useful. Also, we can find here the spatial audio. So it works like on the AirPods Pro, for example, or AirPods Pro 2nd generation on iPhone or iPad. Right here we can also find the game mode, so we can reduce the latency when we are playing games or, for example, watching videos. And another useful option, the dual connection. Yes, we can connect these earbuds with the 2 devices at the same time, and we can easily switch between them. And the last function that I want to show you, it will be definitely the firmware update. So you can actually fix some known issues by updating your software. Sometimes they adding some new features, so it's really useful to actually keep it at the latest version. I said the last, no, this will be last. So here you can find the controls, like we've got the single tap, double tap, triple tap, touch and hold, and the long touch and hold. And what we can do with these controls, like for example, we can wake the voice assistant, we can turn next or the previous song, we can switch between the noise cancellation modes, and even we can volume up and volume down. So this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos.